Hey guys, Ezra from EzraSlayton.com, and in today's video I've got my 5 best affiliate programs for beginners.
On the line.
Alright, I've got the top 5 affiliate networks for beginners that I will definitely show you here in a moment. But first, subscribe to the channel. Every day I try to make videos similar to this one, helping people make money online so that they can do whatever it is they want to do in their life. So they don't have to struggle anymore, don't have to work a job, because that shit sucks. So I want to free you guys up, so I make videos to help with that. Also, you want to make more money, you want to learn about affiliate marketing, grab the ebook down in the description below. It's called 7 Steps to Affiliate Income. It's going to help you to shortcut that learning curve and put you on the right path, the quick path to financial freedom. Alright, so let's jump into today's content. Alright, so the first affiliate program or affiliate network that we're going to talk about is ClickBank. You've probably heard of this before. ClickBank is a marketplace where people who create digital products, I think they do physical products too. I'm not sure. Mostly just digital products. They do ebooks, video trainings, things like that. But the best thing about ClickBank is that pretty much anybody can get approved for ClickBank. Right? I think some maybe Indian people from that part of the world, maybe they can't get approved. I don't know. Leave a comment below and clear that up for us. But it's very simple to get approved otherwise. You just fill out your information and then you'll get probably a confirmation email. And you'll be good to go. You can choose through any of these categories that you want to get started promoting in. Just click on this right here, like that, and then you'll come in here and you'll type in whatever it is you're looking for. It could be, let's say you're in the knitting. This is probably a bad example, but I don't know why I always come to it. But here you go. You got knitting for profit. However, it does have very low gravity score, so I would guess that it's going to be difficult to promote that, but it is very niche. It is very niche. But anyway, you just click promote. You'll grab your affiliate link after you click create, and then you just go ahead and start promoting that link, however it is that you plan to promote it. All right, so that's ClickBank. It's great for beginners to get started right there, and there's tons and tons of tutorials about it. I think I've made a video about how to promote ClickBank products on this channel as well, so maybe I can put a card to that up here to help you find that a little bit easier. Okay, so that's ClickBank. Let's move on to the next one. Next one is Amazon Associates. I've used this one a bit in the past. I'd either review a product or something I bought off Amazon, and then I would get the affiliate link for that specific product, and then just plug it into the description. Pretty simple. I can show you maybe a sample of what that looks like over on my YouTube channel really quickly. Go to my channel. Shout out to Joshua Elder for all his hard work on his Make Money Online channel. Check him out. He's got some great content. I like to watch his videos and so on. So if you go to my videos, we'll scroll down here. I don't do this anymore on this channel. It's just kind of in the beginning, kind of testing it out. But you got a product review right here. I bought an action camera. You can do the same thing, just whatever products you own, you just make a review video of it, or you can make a Facebook post talking about it. And you put your affiliate link right here, and then once someone clicks on that, it'll link them over, or it'll send them over to Amazon to buy the product. And you can look up here in the URL, and you can find your tag. That way you know that you're getting credit. Now, the downside to Amazon Associates is that you will only get a very small commission, small percentage. Maybe it will be 4% to 10%. Right? So if you're selling a very expensive product, then hey, you can make a decent chunk of change. But if you're just selling small things like the action cam for $50, you're not going to make a ton of money off that. If you look at my results over this past year, I've only made $5.34 in total. So It's a great place for beginners because also like ClickBank, it's easy to sign up for. It doesn't take it's not a huge approval process. And it's just easy to promote. You know, you just grab your link and slap it wherever you like on the internet. And the other downside that I wanted to mention was, what was I gonna say? All right, anyway, I forgot. So if it does come back to me, I'll let you know. Oh yeah, the cookie on Amazon is only 24 hours. Okay, so after 24 hours, you'll lose that customer. All right. If they come back to check on that product after a day or two, after 2 days, you won't get credit for that sale anymore. So that's the other downside. So that's Amazon Associates. Let's move on to the next one. This one I don't know too much about, but it's called ShareASale. I don't use it personally, but we'll take a look at it anyway. The reason why I think it's probably good for beginners is because, you know, the same thing. It's easy to get signed up for. They've got different categories in pretty much every niche that you could think about getting involved in. You know, from online dating, automotive stuff, you got business, accessories, and jewelry. So whatever it is that you are involved in, you can find products to promote here. They host over 3,900 affiliate programs spanning in 40 different categories. So whatever you're involved in, you can probably find it here. If it's not on ClickBank, it's probably here. If it's a physical product, it's definitely going to be on Amazon, right? Or a book or something like that. It's definitely going to be on Amazon. So that's ShareASale. Check it out. If you want to know more about it, just go down to their About section and read up. Okay? Alright, moving on. We don't want to spend too much time on this stuff. The next one is called Junction. What is that? I forgot. What is that? CJ? Commission Junction. Yeah. I forgot the CJ stand for, but they're not called Commission Junction anymore. They're just called CJ Affiliates. Alright? And that's how I've come to know them. So, CJ Affiliates is the same thing. Got a marketplace, tons of different companies that will either approve you or not to promote their products. And the great thing about this one as well is that they have a variety of different categories that you could jump into. So again, whatever you're into, you could probably find it here on CJ. All right, you know, scroll down here. They've got this. It's in alphabetical order right now. So like 99 Designs, if you're into web design, you can use this to, you know, offer people, like people who want to get a design made for their website. You just put a link down in your description of your video or your blog post or something saying, if you need help getting your designs made, check out this website, or, you know, check these guys out. They do great work, blah, blah, blah. And if someone did decide to join up, the sale is $35. So I assume that's what you're going to make is $35 for resale, which is okay. It's not too bad. It's small time. All right, so that's that one. That's you know, Commission Junction or CJ Affiliates, how I know it. Moving right along to the last one. The final one here is not really one, but it's Google. You're using Google to find an affiliate program for whatever niche or whatever keyword that you are you know, involved with. So here you would type in your keyword. So you can say maybe it's make money online or makeup, even makeup affiliate program. And this Beauty Blog 101 makeup affiliate programs to help you get started. Join our beauty bakery. They've got an affiliate program. 83 beauty affiliate programs. So just use Google to find whatever affiliate program you need for your niche that you're involved in. So there you go. All right, those are what I think are the top 5 or the best 5 affiliate programs for beginners to get involved in. All right, so these networks, these affiliate networks, are going to be great for you for you know, several reasons. They're easy to get into, and it's pretty simple to get started. I think the hardest part of all this is just driving traffic to your links, or getting people to see your links. All right. So once you can figure that out, it really doesn't matter what program you decide to join or what network you are involved with. If you can figure out how to get people to view your web page or to see that link, you know, it's just simply a numbers game at that point. You get 1,000 people to see your link, maybe, you know, 100 people or maybe 10 people decide to click on that, and one person decides to buy. boom, you make a little bit of a commission there. So that's it for this video, guys. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them down below the description in the comment section, of course. And I will see you in the next video. Peace.